Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your account status on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the page. Go to the settings and privacy option and go to the more info and support section and click to the second option, the account status. And here you can check your account status. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.